So I have Claude Code open in Visual Studio Code. Let's just run a prompt and see if it can create a whole project by itself from scratch. And in the end, I'll show you how you can install this in Visual Studio too. Okay, so let's say I want to create a to-do app. So let's go ahead and give it the prompt. So I just asked it to create a very simple to-do app that just allows you to create, edit, delete, and modify the to-do. And there should not be any database for now, and it will just use browser's local storage. And let's just hit enter and let's see the magic. So one very good thing that I like about Claude Code is that it will give you the steps and the plan. Okay, so here it will show you create HTML structure for the to-do app, create CSS styling, implement JavaScript functionality, and implement local storage persistence. So I really like it, and it will show you in which step it is. So here it is in this step, and then it will go to this step, and it will ask you allow write to the file. You can just click on yes, or you can just click on yes and don't ask again, so that all the files are created automatically without you having to click yes every time. So just click on yes and don't ask again, and the first step is complete. And when it does the second step, as you can see, the second step is selected, and at the end it will have completed all the steps, and we will just run it. Okay, so everything is done now, and if I scroll up, you will see that all the tasks are done. Here you will see all the files that are created, the features, and how to use itself. So let's see if everything works as expected, and then I'll show you how you can install this and use Claude Code in your own VS Code installation. So I'll just right click on it and click on show preview. Here you will see the to-do list. Let's add a to-do and say add Claude Code to VS Code. Hit enter and it is here. Let's add a new to-do, become a coding god. Hit enter and here it is. Let's edit it. Instead of VS Code, I'll write Visual Studio Code. Hit save and everything works as expected. Let's delete one and here it is. Now you can just deploy it and show it to your friends and have your first web app live. So this is how Claude Code can create everything from scratch for you. And to install it, what you can do is go to extensions here, or press Ctrl Shift and X together, search for Claude Code. Here you will see Claude Code extension from Anthropic. Click on this. Okay, let me close these tabs here, and you'll see disable or uninstall. In your case, you'll only see the install button. Just install it. Once this is installed, here you will see this button. Just click on it and you will see the option to connect it to your Claude account. Connect it and you will have Claude for you. Once you have connected to your Claude account, just write any prompt and you are ready to go. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.